my posture aesthetic. Hated it, it was calm, the pressure was vivid. Slipped through the room and conviction was with it. Smoke on the way that distorted the image. I wasn't out, but it's burning and clean. Glory be lifted. Tagging the king and the cat.
Oh, that's different. 6. Okay. Yeah. It is still early though.
Now tell me, it's us fantastic and upgraded. Jump in the Cadillac, girls, put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it. All jewelry, diamonds, so bright. Lucky for you, that's what I
Trust me, that's
chance will give you ammunition. None of y'all are real, not a single one. Like on the show, never fail. Not even out of jail. For me, I got no chill. Just a lot of squirrel. Laid in my paper, so it's a lot of bucks flying when I'm making it rain, dear. Used to play that shit on repeat all day, so please call me Big Daddy. Plus I got the cane and lean on me. MCs I'm eating, you B-I-T-C-H, just like tortilla chips. Misery index poverty, it is Pico CD and pieces. Feel ashamed for the strength of a pain for the trank. I just pray for the day when I'm able to say that I'm placed with the greats and my names, with the Kings and the Waynes and the J's and the Dre's and the 25 rows out great interior, but always cloudy. Never step on Mr. Child. And the big boys on speed, but I spend cheese whenever I burn. House I walk on clouds. As soon as I get out this work, I'm out the door. I'm in it, out, I'm in it, under the dirt. I no doubt, I know.
Oh, that way.
In rose mode, yellow diamonds look like PP. Bitches fly from DC on my private too. Said a heart like a vase, she gave it 10, man, I tried. What her feelings out, made a mess, so I mocked it. Heartbreak kid, oh God, sorry baby girl, when I did what I did. I'm the HBK, I'm the heartbreak king, I break hearts left and right. Yeah, fuck her like a dog, rip a hole in a light. She a pro 8, I grip my gun. When it come to ratchet hoes, savage having tons. I be keeping in contact with them, case I go on a run. I put flawless diamonds in my ears, it's a pun. Pussy tried to grab my chain and got his ass bummed. It's a mad 90, this shit cut down. She was a good girl. 15, she scored a touchdown. Pussy, he was pussy back in the day, he think he tough now. I'm way too rich, it's easy to. She gave it 10, man, I tried. What a feeling.
Don't forget to let me know where you at, man. At DJ Who Kid, let me know where you at. Follow me right now. Show me where you at. I will repost on this Big 3 mix. Whose house?
Shade 45, the fucking hype is still real. I like pulling on her braids. I hate when she get a ball. Hey, that ass shade everywhere, bubble spawn. Fuck up Patsy that is car on the star. When it got to blow this shit, it mad. He licking way too hard. I might just rob your baby daddy here.
Look at that.
Why do you think that little one's got a purple hood?
Yeah, this has to be customized. I know they come out the factory looking like this.
It's been on there back with the system.
Oh yeah.